Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice bounce. I mean, when you stop and think about it, that the beginning of the day, the price was all the way down there, but the price was able to bounce back up to that area of the chart. Any rational person would say, yeah, that's been definitely a nice move. But that does bring about the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this level down here at $4.60. Why is $4.60 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $4.60. If the price were to come down to $4.60 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say that the price does still go down here. However, the difference being in this situation, it behaves like that before starting to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, again, quote unquote progress being defined as $4.60. What about levels of resistance? Well, at this point, it's all about the purple line up here, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. If you go back through the history of the chart, you can see that there's a big track record already of it acting as resistance. So while I'm not saying it can't be broken or anything like that, I'm just saying that just historically speaking, as far as the 50-period is concerned, and then looking at this very chart itself, that level has been knocking down the price before. So the price really is going to have to bring its A game if it's going to be able to fight above it and stay above it. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very nice bounce today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward. Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.